Hello from Johnson Ford here in New Richmond. My name is David. This is stock number 917698, 2020 Ford Escape SE all-wheel drive. It is rapid red, exterior gray cloth with heated seats interior. Only has 43,000 miles. It is a certified pre-owned vehicle, meaning it's been through a 172-point inspection through our shop. It also includes the remaining warranty from the factory and comes with a 12-month, 12,000 complimentary warranty and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain. This again is all-wheel drive, going to give you and your family confidence going down the road with the all-wheel drive. It does have the sync system to pair all your devices. Please contact us today at 715-246-3673. Again, my name is David, or you can check it out online. Thanks for watching.